In decorating our home this year for spring, I definitely have gone with a classy, sophisticated, upscale look. I didn't want to go with anything that was too whimsical, but I did add in these pale pink baskets that I found at Tuesday Morning with a few colorful little eggs that I found at the Dollar Tree. The silver rabbits came from HomeGoods, and they really mirror the same image of the rabbits that we have in our front sitting room. And then I have our candle hurricane, which I think is absolutely beautiful. It fits in well with the style in this room. And again, I think you can really decorate your home in a seasonal way without having to get too colorful or too cutesy. And this year, we certainly have scaled back on our decor, and I wanted to keep everything very simplistic, but I didn't want it to be too understated as well. To top off our decor, I have filled this beautiful whitewashed wooden bowl with these eggs I found at HomeGoods in different shades of greens and creams and pinks with gold flecking. They work beautifully in this room. Our furniture in this room is gray and cream, and this whole display just tells a story. And the story is that you can use beautiful, neutral, soft colors and still achieve a beautiful look for your seasonal decor.